Hello mga ka-Everest, and hello, nagbabalik ang inyong ka-amazing mom, and hello to amazing people around the world. So this is my peak of the day. Nandito pala ako sa store namin. Everest Sportswear and Apparel, ayan po. At dito po ang location, ECG Commercial Complex, Camias, San Miguel, Bulacan. So ito, bago to lahat guys kadadating lang nito this month. Tuwa ako sa color niya, so paano tayo, pag-girly ang ating peak of the day. First off, eto po. Ayan. Sorry guys, nilalagyan ko talaga ng plastic kapag white yung shoes kasi ayokong madumihan siya guys. Ayan. So, ang tawag po dito is Jordan Court Connect Low. It cost 36953. Ayan. Ganda niya. Pati yung sole niya, babae. Ay, sorry. Babae guys. Ayan. That's the first shoes of the day. Ayan. Ang ganda niya guys, oh. Diba? Babae. Ayun. So, the second one is this is the Nike Promina. Ito. We do have two colorway. Napakasarap sa mata ng kanyang color. So, we have baby pink at saka itong mint green niya. Pati yung sole niya nakikisabay sa color ng kanyang check. Napakaganda ang forma nito guys. Ayan. This one naman is 3,695. Ayan. Dalawa yung colorway natin. Yan. Nike Promina po. Yes. And then the next one, oh my gosh. Kasi 'di ba one of my favorite talaga na nilabas ni Nike is si Bella. Nike Bella. So ito yung colorway na isa. We do have maroon and this one, but ito kasi ang aking pick of the day. One of the best shoes dito sa Everest Sportswear and Apparel. Look at the sole. Grabe. The details itself. Look. Napakaganda guys. Oh. Etong Nike Bella, which is my ultimate favorite talaga. Kasi napaka-sexy nung shape nung, ganito yung shape ng shoes na gustong-gusto ko. Ayan. Ito po ay, it cost 5,195. Ayan. Look at that. Here. And also, hindi magpapakabog. Grabe to. Grabe talaga. Ito po si Nike Vomero 18. Tignan nyo naman guys yung colorway. Oh. Napakaganda. Po, 'di ba? Napakaganda nung Vomero na to. Kahit i-search nyo, one of the comfiest shoes na inilabas ni Nike talaga. Comfort, durability, alam nyo na yan. Hindi ko na kailangang i-explain. So guys, if you are interested, mag-follow kayo sa page namin, Everest Sportswear and Apparel. And also, pwede kayong mag-message sa akin dito or mag-comment kayo kung ano ang natitipuhan nyo. But for today, this is my pick. Okay, so let's start again. This is the Jordan Court Connect Low. It's 3,695. And then the second one is yung aming Nike Promina. It costs 3,295. Then syempre, ang hindi magpapakabog na one of my favorite na inilabas ni Nike is si Nike Bella. It costs 5,195. At saka syempre, ang pinaka-comfiest at sobrang saya ng color niya, si Nike Vomero 18. Napakaganda guys. Comfy. Yes, we're talking about comfy. Napakaganda guys. So guys, ano pa hinihintay nyo? Mag-order na kayo sa inyong ka-amazing mom. Okay? I love you everyone!